Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been styling my hair for my Instagram. A lot of people ask me about how I style it, what I've been using, so I'm here to tell you all the secrets. Firstly, I do have to say everything that I got is from Zala Hair Extensions and I'm absolutely amazed with this product. Like, honestly, you guys know that I'm really honest with all my reviews and this is a game changer. So I'm going to show you, but before I actually have a discount code, I'm going to put it in the description down below so you can guys save some moolah. So firstly, I'm going to show you the new extensions that I got. So these ones are the Volumizer and they are all really styled because I already been using it. I'm going to pop a picture of me wearing them. And this is like my new favorite thing. Reason why, it's because it's exactly my hair length. So it's only going to add volume and they are seamless. Like you could never see them. Like I went out so many times already wearing them and no one can tell that I have extensions. And it makes my hair thicker and I really feel like, you know, one of the Victoria's Secret models. Just for the hair, nothing else obviously. Okay, but that's not everything. I also have this hair curler and I'm gonna show you because I'm absolutely obsessed. So this is the one and you can actually change the barrel. So I am using the 33mm one. I think I said that right. 33? No, 30, sorry. And it comes with all these different ones and you can change them. This is the one that my hairdresser usually uses on me. Then this one that I haven't tried yet, but if you guys want me to, I definitely will. And then this one, which is the classic one that you would all have at home. But guys, as I always say, I'm not great with hair, but now every time that I go out, it literally looks like I just came out of the hairdresser. And if I have to choose one of all the curlers I tried in my life, because I tried them all. Reason why I try them all is because I'm bad at it. So I try them all and this is the one that I will keep. So if I have to throw all of them and keep one, I will keep this one and you guys will see the end result and you will know why I'm saying that. So let's get started. The extensions are already styled, so I'm just quickly going to do my hair. I'm going to show you how I do it and then I'm going to show you the end result. I hope you like it and keep watching. Alright, so first, as usual, I'm going to part my hair. It also comes with a glove, but I'm not going to use it. Just going to grab one piece. There we go. And away from my hair, face. And we just wait a little bit. I sprayed heat protection beforehand as well. And this is how it looks. Wow, I love it. You guys can let me know in the comments down below. So this is the 30mm barrel. And it's super quick. Like I can style it in 2 seconds. There we go. Oh, the temperature, you can change it, but I got it at 180 as well. Usually if my my extensions were in style, I would literally just style them with my hair so it looks more seamless. Okay, so to make sure they match my hair, I'm going to pop them on. And you can tease your hair, but mine stays just fine. feel like it needs a little bit more curl. So I'm gonna go over it and style it. Alright, so now I'm good. Right, so now onto the next chunk of it. Always away from your hair. Perfect. Okay, so this is the hair curl. So now I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit, be on my phone for like 2 minutes, and then brush it off, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, now that I let it cool down, it looks really cute, but I'm always going to brush it because I like the look. So I got this one. It is quite old, but I think that they still have it. So I'm just gonna brush it through, and it just gives you that really nice wave. Perfect. And then this side. Perfect. Okay, so one more thing, this is the box that the extensions coming. So you open it and it has this like care kit, and it has like a mask for your hair, shampoo and conditioner, and it comes also with this thing. It's called Revive Me, and it is the best thing in the world. So it's basically just an oil. You put it like that and you choose, look at that. Smells like heaven. So if you can get it when you get your extensions, it leaves your hair so nice and shiny. I'm putting there because my hair is quite damaged there, but and it smells. I wish they had a perfume with this smell because it's so nice. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. You can't even tell that they are extensions. I love these. I will never not wear them anymore. When I go out, when I go out for dinner, I'm going to wear them tonight. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And this is my hair game now. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to use the discount to save some money and stay safe.